Yo, what is up YouTube? It is your boy back at it again. Thank you for tuning into the video today. So as you can tell from the title, we are finally going to be lowering my 2020 Roush Supercharged F-150, and I'm super excited, guys. I've been waiting for this moment for a while. And if you watch my vlogs, you already know that I did recently partner with Beltech suspension, and they did hook me up with an awesome 3-inch front and 5.5-inch rear lowering kit. I'm super thankful for Beltech. Thank you guys again for hooking me up with that. Okay, I'm actually getting the kit installed at my local Mitchell Buick GMC dealership, where actually one of my friends works, a really trusted mechanic locally. I'm super happy that he's going to be the one installing it. And before we head over there and drop the truck off, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Beltech 5.5 lowering kit for you guys. All right, guys. As you can see, this kit is for the 2015 to 2020 F-150s. It says only 2015, but it's for 2015 to 2020. Here's the part number right here, and I'm about to open this baby up so we can check it out. All right, guys, so I finally got the box open, and the first thing shown in the box, this is the 2 front struts that are 3 inches shorter than the normal struts, thus lowering the front 3 inches with these. And it also does come with rear shocks. And also in here, I'm sure is the rear flip kit. So let's go ahead and check that out. All right, guys, so I now got the rear flip kit open. All right. Here's all the hardware right here. I'm not gonna open the rear flip kit all the way because I don't really want to mess with it before the mechanic takes a look at it. But what the rear flip kit does is takes the leaf springs right here, which are on top of the rear axle at this point. As you can see, it is going to move those leaf springs to the bottom of the rear axle, thus lowering the rear 5.5 inches as well. So I'm super excited to get this done. I'm gonna head over there right now, and I will see you guys here in a bit. All right, guys, so I am headed to get the truck dropped off already, and I'm super excited to see it dropped. It's gonna look so sick, and the only thing I am worried about is the ride quality being affected. Right now it does ride really nice, but we'll just have to see. I don't think it will probably be affected too bad, but once we get it installed, we'll have to just check it out. All right, guys, and so as for my air conditioner compressor situation, I actually have never had an issue ever since I got the truck back, so I'm really happy about that as well. That was something that was really worrying me when I first got the truck, that it was just going to be something that kept repeating itself, but ever since I've gotten it back, it's already been a few months, and we've had no issues, so I'm very happy about that as well. All right, guys, so I just dropped the truck off in the parking lot, and I will see you guys once we get back. All right, guys, so I just got off the phone with the mechanic, and he did let me know that the truck is ready to be picked up, but since it did get dark, as you guys can see, I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to do a first ride in the truck with you guys, and also do like a review on the lowering kit and everything like that. All right, guys, so it is now the next day. I actually picked up the truck last night, and so far I am loving it so much. As you can tell, it looks absolutely insane. It sits level and low, and it looks really awesome. You can see how low this front splitter actually is to the ground right now. It is pretty low in the front. Alright guys, so other than the way the truck looks, it actually will still turn from lock to lock with the stock wheel and tire setup, which is something that I really like. I hated rubbing on my EcoBoost, so I did not want this truck rubbing at all. And with this kit and the stock wheels and tires, it does not rub one bit. So that's something I'm really happy about as well. And another thing that I'm also liking about the kit is the ride quality. I thought that it was going to make the truck ride horrible, but it actually has not really any noticeable differences from the stock ride. It honestly feels pretty much the same. So in the front here, we do have the new struts from the kit, and they actually are adjustable. I have them lowered all the way down at the 3-inch low, and it looks really nice in the front. Right here you can see we have our new Beltech Street Performance shocks, and then here is the flip kit right here that relocated our leaf springs from above the rear axle to the bottom. Alright guys, so overall I am very happy with the outcome from this kit. It looks absolutely amazing. You get to go pretty low with the truck but not have to notch your frame. And also, this kit did not ruin the ride quality. Like I said, it was almost identical to stock with really no noticeable differences. So I actually have not tried to do a pull since I put the kit on. I've actually just been doing like some casual driving just to get it tested out. So I'm now going to do a few pulls with the kit on to see what kind of differences that it made. So honestly, I would say no noticeable differences in the ride quality, even in a full send, honestly. It just feels pretty much like the stock truck. It feels awesome. I get it. Alright guys, so I just got home and we're gonna go ahead and wrap up the video now. I have no complaints at all about the Beltech 5.5 lowering kit for 2015 to 2020 F-150s. Thank you so much again, Beltech, for hooking me up with that kit. And thank you guys so much for watching the video today. We recently just hit 2,000 subscribers, which is absolutely insane. I never thought I would get that many subscribers. So thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I love you guys so much. And I got a lot of awesome content planned for the truck. I've got a lot of awesome content planned for my LS Swap BMW E46. I know I've been slacking on content from the E46, but I promise you I got you guys soon. And like I said again, thank you for watching the video, and I will see you guys on the next one.